Hey guys, Joe Smith here at the local Lowe store. Place is busier than ever, but just showing off some of the tool cabinets here. This one of the doors are locked. It's stainless steel, $750. Big casters there. But here's what caught Joe Smith's attention. Looky here. Look at that. Pull out pegboard hooks for holder. Lockable, same key as the front. There, you put your pegboard hooks on there. You have stuff hanging on there on the back side. Looks like it's all attached. Don't know if it can be separated or not, but Joe Smith just thought that was kind of different and neat. Here's Craftsman boxes. Power strip, USB charger. The drawers, they're a little hard to, you gotta really yank on it, and try the lock and unlock thing here. That might the door sticks, so that way they don't just slide open when you're moving it, but some of them really stick and you gotta really tug on them to get them open. Be nicer if maybe they just had a latch on them like some of those new Harbor Freight ones got, or else if the whole thing lifted up as a latch. Joe Smith's seen that before too. They appear to be built fairly strong and solid. As good, or maybe even bigger as the older ones 20 years ago. That's a top only for that price. Now here's another one that's missing. These are like the old-fashioned doors. Just open, close freely, no latches, no stickiness for that. Here's our biggest one. Again, outlet strip. These drawers have a little bit of stick to them, but not nearly like the other ones. These are a lot easier to open and close. And look, they even, you just kind of, there you go. Give it enough push and it'll just softly finish closing on its own. That's neat. That's really neat. So, if it's full of tools and weight, I'm sure it'd work even easier. Big casters on there. Ooh. It has a little fold out work surface and then you put tools underneath. Again with that same soft close. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There's a power strip down there too. USB. Put your drawers in there and got a battery charger place. That's neat. Another power strip up here. Okay. And they got some clearance racks out here, throwing out a lot of the cobalt tools, and screwdrivers and stuff. But it's like the bear says. Need individual sockets. They got drawers here. Got drawers on the other side with cobalt sockets and cobalt wrenches too if you just need individual sockets or wrenches. So, new tool or socket holder. Let's take a look at this. Got rubber mat, says Craftsman on it. It's just a little base that your sockets sit on or fit on. I don't know how tight it holds the sockets or anything. No magnets on the bottom. There's a magnetic screwdriver holder. There's a wrench holder you can put up on the wall. Showing off the miter saw squid pricing. Don't know what pricing is where you're at, but it's pricing here in Wally World, Walmartville town. One of the local Lowe stores. There's a few Lowe stores around here across the metro area. Yeah, here you can get cobalt sockets and wrenches individually. You're missing some more different holders. Yeah, there's all your new Craftsman pliers. These are nice. Joe Smith's got them. Joe Smith's got one of these too. Very nice, but Black & Decker company still. Or Stanley Black & Decker. I guess Joe Smith's going to end this video here, just showing off some of the tools and prices for you guys. Showing off the different Craftsman toolboxes. Joe Smith don't see no cobalt or other boxes. Joe Smith, remember seeing some in the back in the aisle on clearance last time, about a month ago, but don't know if they're back there yet. Joe Smith hasn't gone that far yet. But hey, thanks for watching. Joe Smith, sign out.